making this video, Ram 1500 Ecodiesel, and if you get the engine will not start service DEFC dealer, you can't start it. Will not start. You can try it all you want, but it won't start. And you'll get code P241D-00. Once you have that code, you cannot get rid of it. Even I'm using a Think diagnostic tool, that won't even get rid of it, or at least I think I've been able to. So what you can do is you can hot jump it, and I've connected two wires right here, just like that, and I've run the wires up through the up into the cabin. I put a little micro switch right here, so you can start it like this. Okay, and it will always start. That code will still be there, but it will always start until you can receive the new part. I'm waiting for some new parts, and it's going to take about a month to get them. Anyway, also when I get done here, this relay is the starter relay. I'll go ahead and put it back in. Press it down in there. And that way it's nice and neat. But your car will run the same. It'll even do a regen, or you can do a forced regen. So the only way to get rid of that engine will not start, and obviously it's running. The only way to get rid of that is you have to fix the problem. Thanks for watching.